Welcome back, guys. Join us this week as we head to a famous campground and tick off one of our big lap experiences. Let's go. So Maps just told us to park our car
and walk the rest of the way. But I'm guessing we go through here.
Yeah. 40 on access tracks. Oh, well, yeah, look. Regulated camping is allowed, blah, 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 blah. All right, let's go. Righto, so here we go. All right, let's do it.
This is really cool. This is exciting. I don't know why.
It's because there was a gate.
Ooh. Okay, they were in the shadows. I think it's actually because we've seen this on a lot of like YouTube channels before. So it's just really cool to actually be here right now. I reckon we quickly just drop them.
Okay.
And if you haven't got your hands on a pair of these yet, get onto them because they just make it so much easier.
Especially with little kids in the car.
I ended up going 20 all around in the caravan, and then I ended up just leaving the car at 30. Just I don't know what we're in for. We can always let more out later. So we'll see how rough or boggy this actually gets, eh?
I don't know. Something just made a massive noise on our caravan. Should we check or?
Yeah.
Okay. Frick.
Just a quick look.
Not sure we didn't do any damage.
I think the bottom of this actually hit the ground.
Yeah, right. Unless.
Okay.
Okay. Well. Nothing looks broken.
Oh, it's towing that boat.
Oh my god, they have a lawnmower to tow their boat. What?
How do they get that in that motorhome?
I don't know. I'm so confused. I have so many questions.
What was that lovely couple we met the other night?
Oh, James and Martina?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, he was like, just go left, stick left and go around the hill. And then go left again.
Okay. Well, I must say this spot is bloody beautiful. Cute. How's that? Yoo-hoo! Tide's out at the moment, but I reckon once that comes up, that's going to be a ripper. Someone else's fire's still going. That's got a good start on that for us. That's good.
Hey, Mummy. It might be rotten, but who cares?
The rest are all still on the tree.
We might dry reach when we crack into it, but
Mummy,
I'm keen.
there's Roman's car.
Yeah, you and Sid have to share that one.
Oh, here. Let me get him. Mummy's just over here trying to upload our next video, but we don't have much service. So, how is that going?
Yeah, it's about 2% done.
2% in.
It's not going very good. We need like 10G. 5 bars. You caught a fishy. I think he's a bit little.
We'll put it in the bucket and we'll let it go after, okay? What? He's going to beat me again. Another one! Alright, take it over to Mum. Oh, stop, 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 stop! That was mighty good. All the way in, I just had to get that out.
Like nothing ever happened, eh?
I was like, she might even bite me here because that was it.
I know. I just saw like her skin pulling. Are you on, mate? Oh, bugger. Take him back to the water. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Go. Go. Good boy. Woo. And big throw. Go. Woo. Good job.
Hey, get in, get in! That's a good one.
Mommy, I caught it with water.
You did. I'm not getting the job. Get one in. What? He's on again? Oh, got off.
my
And
goodness.
he was whining and I could feel it was on. And then I was like, one. And then he was like stopping and starting. And then it got off. And then another one got on. And then it got off. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really nice. Yesterday I put together some ceviche. And it looks delicious. So let's give it a go. Do you want to try some, Dick?
No.
This is that fish.
Mom, I call it. I call it, Mom. That's mine. That's
Oh.
mine.
Oh, yum.
That's mine, Mom. Mom, that's mine.
That is so good, mate.
I call it, Mom. Mom.
Yum.
Mom.
How good is that, mate?
Good. It's like that. It's like that.
Sid, do you want a bit of fish?
Mom, I guys did your fish big.
You did.
Yeah.
How's that, Bob? That's yum, mate.
Hey Sid, did you just throw a rock at Mum? That was naughty.
Oh, thanks. I feel
Really?
Yeah.
What, and you kicked it?
I threw it.
Good job.
Whoa. Oh, nearly.
Good one.
Whoa. Alright, ready?
Mummy, kick it to him. No, I'm just cooking some chili con carne and we're going to put it in a wrap. Oh, no, you got to put some on this one and this one and this one. So share it up. Put some on there and some on that one
Yeah.
and some on this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Yo. Little bit.
There you go. You put them on some.
Yeah.
Spread them out. Spread them out. You go like this. Go like this. Spread them out like this. Like that. But on that one. Do it to that one. On this one.
Oh. Yeah.
What? That one doesn't have any cheese. Yay!
Mom. My dad.
Now you can pick where they go. Where should those ones go? Where should that go?
Daddy. Hey.
What are you doing?
Please. Got 8, Mom.
As the sun came up and we fed the toddler dactyls, we decided Notch Point was just a little too busy for us, so we headed off north again.
This is a bit I've been losing sleep about all night, literally.
What? Oh my god, what is that? Pretty hard, yeah. Oh, kind of heavy.
What is that? Can we use that for something? It looks like a crotch.
Adjustable.
I think I might come out wide here and try and come
Yeah.
here like that, because I think I'm going to actually just take right out there.
Yeah. Well, that bit there that I just stepped in, that was pretty hard. Okay, boys. I'm really nervous here.
Yeah, really nervous.
Oh shit. That looks like the... I'm through. The caravan's going through now. Yay. 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 Boys, I made it. You got Glen Coco. Actually, so there's a rock on this side and a big rock on the other one. Just go slow. Oh, sorry, yeah, that doesn't. That was got the tyres down. Yep. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Just go slow, doll. Shit. Stop, 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 stop. Shit. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. Easy. Piece of cake now.
Can I make a cake?
Keep going. Go, mate. All the way. All the way. Keep going. Good boy.
Really, or just really?
That's way.
I reckon you should bust that move out on the dance floor one night.
Seriously? Yes, you hold that and hold that in. And keep that in.
Good job. So easy, a 3-year-old can do it. Yoo-hoo! Alright, let it go and feed it. Oh, nearly there, a bit more. Push it all the way in. Good job. Alright, now let it go. Oh, 40.
Good job, we're nearly done it. Keep going. Keep going.
So what are these ones going up to, Dale?
I'm gonna, these ones are gonna go to 45 and the car's all 40.
Oh, that looks really good.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I was like, we couldn't have stopped anywhere else. Yeah, okay, let go.
Also, that is an old rip in the sidewall. That's not from this track.
Ready? Press the button. Oh, press it again. We're not done yet.
Keep going, you gotta hold it down, you gotta hold it.
We've got to get all the way to 40. Keep going. Absolutely smashed.
Unless it fell off on the grass. So we...
No, because we definitely ran over it.
So we've just gotten a couple of kilometres up the road and realised that we didn't grab Jackie's phone off the tyre. So when we were airing up, so hopefully it's there.
We've ran over it. It was sitting right there and I put the cap that you put on the wheel right, like it was right near it.
Right? I remember seeing it. Anyway, let's go have a look. Oh, shit.
I don't want to know, do I?
No. The phone itself looks okay, so I'm hoping it's just
No,
there.
that's absolutely.
See, just wait, Bob. No, mate, don't. Just wait. Let us sort it out first, please.
Look at that, the whole thing is just freckled.
That's got
Buy a
a
phone.
lot of footage on it. And it's our hotspot and everything. That's still really straight and everything, and the back's all okay. I honestly just think it's the LED screen.
Yeah.
I think we can still fix it.
That's not ideal. Hopefully it's just a screen, but we've just killed our main video source and main phone for everything, internet, everything. But that's a bit sad. That expensive exercise.
Well, my dear.
I know why.
Why?
Because those people pulled up and we've just gone over, talked to them, and then we just got straight back in the car.
Wasn't the car already packed up?
No.
Oh.
No. So we have just pulled up here, and how much further on are we now?
Half an hour?
Half an hour up the road. Our stone stomper was still undone.
Someone forgot to do a back up.
Someone forgot the phone. I know what's a cheaper fix. The stone stomper.
I didn't put the top phone on the tyre either.
You just decide not to film anymore.
So we are at Serena, and this water tap right here on the toilet thing, that's the info centre, and they come and give you you go in, get the key, and they're so friendly. They're like, just fill up as much as you need, take as much as you need. There's a parking bay and a turnaround bay and everything. So this is a good RV friendly town so far. See how the rest of it is. Let's go.
How cool is this, mate? Are you in the bus? Were you driving? Yeah? This is awesome. Woo! Run underneath it all the way. Woo! Pete, your turn. On your mark, get set, go! Woo! Don't mind the kids in the background, but I am just whipping up a fish curry. So I'm going to do a green curry, and I'm using this tea leaf trevally that we got. So I've just got to skin it and dice it up. Let's get a bit of that in here. Never cooked a fish curry before, so I'm pretty keen for this, to be honest. Brains. And simmer, baby. Oh my gosh, I nearly forgot to put my beans in it. So I'm going to put a couple handfuls of beans in it too, and then just let it simmer, and she'll be good to go with rice. We're going down to the beach for our dinner tonight.
Spicy. You've got a little broken pancake. Better did play basketball.
Oh yeah, oh, this is big butt. I got it.
Can you please let me have a little bite?
So we stayed in a truck stop last night. In what town was that in, dear?
Started with a B. I'll just chuck it.
Yeah. But anyway,
Croc country. Yes.
we're currently just scouting around.
That is a good sign. I mean, not a good sign
looking
if
for
you
a
go
croc,
swimming,
but where I've just brought us to, there's a big sign there saying welcome to Croc country. So we should be in luck. We're going to get this drone up.
just really want to see a wild crocodile.
Yeah. Oh, look at that there. Surely there's
like
Barry
mud
in here.
crab.
Yeah, mud crab country for sure.
Alright, let's find somewhere and get the drone off. Let the crocodile hunt begin. cannot believe, I didn't think that I was going to find a crocodile here. Like everywhere we've been so far that says Croc country, nothing. And I cannot believe, I don't know if I just got lucky or what, but I'm so freaking happy right now. Like that's one of the things I really wanted to do is see a crocodile in the wild. And I'm so freaking happy. Like, that was sick. And I tell you what, that thing was big. Like, really big. Like, I went 120 meters up in the sky with the drone and you could still just see his head and shoulders clear as day. Like, yeah, they freaking scare me. I don't know why. But that was sick. I am just I'm shaking a bit. Like that's how bloody happy I am that we saw a crocodile. Oh, that's the one thing I've really wanted to do. I'm so freaking happy right now. Big thanks for joining us again. If you enjoy what we do, hit that subscribe. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Cheers, everyone. Oh. Okay, is that your hair or is that mine?
So yesterday I put together some what's going on here? There we go.
Was that funny, Mum?
Yeah, mate, hilarious.
Is that funny though?
Yeah. Crack up, man. Busting for a way you can start. This little rubber on. Sid, you gotta do one too. Remember this one? Like this.
What did you smell?
I can smell baking.
You can smell baby.
Worms are biting.
Because the worms are biting.
Yes.